Introducing a fully loaded flagship. This is the DJI Agras T100. With a maximum payload of 100 kilograms and a single-axis thrust of 82 kilograms, the T100 features a coaxial dual rotor configuration and 62-inch carbon fiber propellers, delivering extremely powerful and robust performance. The T100 delivers unparalleled spraying power with a 100-kilogram payload and dual sprinklers capable of a maximum flow rate of 30 liters per minute. For orchard and high-volume applications, switch to 4 water-cooled mist spray sprinklers to increase the flow rate to 40 liters per minute. The dual-motor water-cooled structure is durable. Mist droplets as fine as 50 microns enhance liquid penetration and ensures comprehensive spraying coverage.